How to organize your Google Docs. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how you can easily organize your Google Docs. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for docs.google.com and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And as you can see, I've already logged into my account and I have also created a new untitled document for my Google Docs. So I'll simply give a particular name, let's say. So I've also given a particular name for my file or docs. To organize a Google Docs, there is a new feature which has been added onto your left section of your navigation bar or left section. On your left section of your Google Docs, right beside the writing part. So you can basically add a text over here on the left, on the center. And similarly, if you want to add a different particular text on a different section, then you can just tap on this plus button to actually add a different tab. And you can also actually delete or just rename that particular tab with a different name. So let's say, and similarly in this section, I can simply talk about that particular fruit over here, just like this, and I can talk about different stuff over here on this new tab. So you can basically organize different tab inside one another, just like this, or you can even make a nested or loop tab, which is like a this tab is a child version or children of that particular heading tab or first tab. So that is exactly how you can easily organize a Google Docs on your PC or laptop. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.